Hi everyone, TechATV here. In for today's video is we have this Epson EcoTank L5290 printer having black broken line printout problem on its ADF or automatic document feeder scanner. So now, just let me first test print the unit and photocopy using its ADF to show you the actual issue of this unit. So here, as we can see, it has a horizontal black line on its printout when going to scan or photocopy using its ADF. This issue appears due to dust or if you have a defective CIS problem of your unit. So to fix this problem, first, let's do cleaning on its scanner glass and ADF Document Path. Before start servicing the unit, please turn it off first. Then lift up to open the scanner glass and start cleaning to remove the dust and ink stain on its scanner glass that causes black line on its printout. When cleaning your printer scanner glass, you can use a tissue and alcohol to remove the dirt on the glass. Then after cleaning the flatbed scanner glass, clean also the ADF Document Path, this transparent plastic here, because mostly the dust and dirt will stuck in this part and usually that the reason why your scanned documents and photocopy having a black line problem. Then after cleaning the ADF path, insert and align the transparent plastic properly. Then now, let's turn on the unit. Then again we have to photocopy using its ADF to check if the black line on printout is removed. Then set to copy and press OK. Again press OK and press start to photocopy. Then now let's check the photocopy printout. So as we can see here, that we have successfully removed the black line on its result. And we've got a better quality printout after cleaning the flatbed scanner and ADF Document Path. And that's one of the simple ways on how to remove and fix the black line on scanned or photocopy result of this Epson EcoTank L5290 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more informative tutorial updates. Thank you for watching.